And the cloud stretch from Alberta down for British Columbia. Okay, let's take a look at our map situation here. High pressure center in eastern Idaho, western Colorado, and in eastern portions of South Dakota, and high pressure center in western Texas Panhandle. Low pressure center in eastern Kentucky and often Mid-Atlantic coastline with warm pressure off the New England and stationary front stretching down to the Atlantic seaboard down for central Florida and down for the Gulf of Mexico. Cold front from northern Mexico stretching down for eastern Louisiana down for Alabama, stretching down to Tennessee and Kentucky, and a warm front from southern Ohio down for western Virginia with low pressure center in Kentucky. Front of boundary from southern Ontario down for northeastern Wisconsin and down for northern Michigan, and a front of boundary on western New Mexico. Front of boundary off the California and Baja California coast, and a front of boundary in western Mexico. Here. Okay. 24 degrees temperature right now in Boston, 35 in Washington D.C., 46 in Atlanta, 80 degrees in Miami, 59 out in Brownsville, Texas, 27 in Dallas, 3 above in Kansas City, 15 in Chicago with front of boundary from central Iowa down for north central Illinois, 9 below in Minneapolis, St. Paul, 40 out in Great Falls, 43 in Seattle, 45 in San Francisco, 54 in Los Angeles, 20 in Salt Lake City, 18 in Denver, and 27 out in Albuquerque, New Mexico. Here is the...
Obviously, that's what we're seeing right now. This is the viewing to only the first that are a major concern. High tide was actually about 11:35.
Short-range public discussion. Organizing winter storm impact much of the eastern United States and Arctic area to southern infiltrate the northeastern wake of the system. Precipitation will continue to expand and push eastward today along and ahead of a frontal boundary drape from the Mid-Atlantic back toward the lower Mississippi Valley in the Gulf of Mexico, and a frontal boundary is slowly lifting northward, helping to spread rain fat to southeast. These two areas will merge off the east coast later tonight and will coalesce with it, or abruptly deepening system just southeast of New England. With a cold area in place to north and northwest of low center, light and moderate snow expected. Parts of southern New England and eastern southeast New York may experience a period of heavy snow with blustering winds and low pressure. These blow coasts very early Friday, making travel difficult from the 95 corridor between New York and Boston. Here to the south, the cold front will push through a central and southern Florida with little fanfare aside some scattered showers, but cool temperatures. Much colder air will be ushered in east of Friday with many areas 20 to 30 degrees below normal. Precipitation should wind down on Friday as high pressure moves into the central Appalachians, setting up a very cold night for many northeast cities. Some record low temperatures could be possible here. In the Pacific Northwest, the front move offshore later today with rain snow showers over the region, especially along with the west of the Cascades. On Friday, the system will push eastward, spreading rain and snow at the Bitterwoods and in Wyoming. Cool temperatures will fall beyond the front. There. Okay, let's take a look at our forecast discussion for New England. A front will bring heavy snow, strong winds, and bitterly cold temperatures tonight and early Friday, but dry but bitterly cold air and dangers of low wind chills will follow the storm later Friday into Saturday. Temperatures will then moderate early next week as low pressure looks to move close to western New England. Now the push of Arctic air is poised to move around the middle of next week. Near term until 6 p.m. this evening. 10 a.m. update. Mean band associated with low-level frontal generators has set up from northwest Massachusetts and the southern New England, where we are seeing enhanced reflectively. The frontal genesis is forecast to weaken and Omega, and the dendritic growth zone is marginal, which will keep snow ratios in check despite very cold temperatures, but additional snowfall of 2 to 4 inches is possible this region for late afternoon. Elsewhere, mostly light intermittent snow as dry swap lifts north across the region. However, starting to see enhanced bands lifting north across the south coast, and there will be some higher reflecting along the northeast Massachusetts coastline. Could also see 2 to 4 inches of snowfall today across portions of the eastern Massachusetts from Ocean and Akron, less than 2 inches across the remainder of the region, which will be in a lull today. The Ocean assessment is tricky and cannot rule out localized heavier amounts. In fact, some of the mesoscale models hint there could be localized amounts of 6 inches by 0 hours. May also have to consider an increase in total accumulation across South New Hampshire, and also have amounts that late today could already be near 6 inches. Also, we have a wind chill advisory for portions of the interior late tonight into Friday. Expectation is wind chills will be bottom around 15 degrees in the interior late tonight and find it more than as cold as 20 degrees below zero over the higher terrain and 15 below in the interior. All right, we have a here's the impact. Brenda storm tonight, early Friday, with gusty wind, heavy snow near whiteout conditions. Blizzard warning for coastal Plymouth County and Cape Cod. Moderate income impact to the Thursday evening commute. Major impact to the Friday morning commute. Minor to moderate coastal flooding for 3-6 after tide cycles along the eastern Massachusetts coastline Thursday and Friday. Pockets of major flooding possible south of Boston and Cape Cod. Midday Friday high tide and dangerously cold wind chills late Thursday night and Friday. Okay, we're going to take a look at a map situation. It goes like this. 10 and 14 inches snow possible from eastern Massachusetts from the North Shore down through Norfolk, down to Boston, down to Plymouth County, down to the Cape and the Islands. 8 to 10 inches on Central Cape Island, and then from southeastern New Massachusetts, from New Bedford, stretching out Fall River, down for Taunton and Attleboro, stretching out for eastern Rhode Island and northern Rhode Island, and stretching down through central and western Massachusetts and southern New Hampshire and northern Connecticut, and 6 to 8 inches from central Connecticut and eastern Connecticut down for southwestern Rhode Island and the Cape and the Islands here. And we can see gusts up to 30 miles per hour from central and western Massachusetts and Connecticut. 30 to 40 mile per hour wind gusts from 40 to 45 to 50 mile per hour wind gusts from the North Shore and down for Boston and Norfolk County, and down for eastern Massachusetts, down for the Rhode Island and eastern Connecticut and western Cape Islands, and 50 mile per hour winds could be possible in the Cape and the Islands. Okay, here are your winters, and here's a photo that I took at the Hess gas station in Norton this morning on my way home from voiceover work, showing lots of motorists are pumping their cars with gas. So if you're a motorist here, try to fill some gas up in your tank with you at any gas station, because it is going to be nasty for the next 12 to 24 hours there. Alright, let's take a look at some safety tips for the winter storm. In the interest of public safety, following safety rules will be provided. Please feel free to broadcast the safety rules throughout the social media while winter storm warning is in effect. Take action, be prepared, be informed, listen and annoy a weather radio, commercial radio, a television, or the weather magician with me. Should you need travel, make sure your car is winterized, ensuring all parts are in good working order, and that you begin any trip with a full tank of gas. Ensure food and medical supplies are adequate before the storm begins. Check your supply of heat and fuel, and be careful when using alternative heat sources with a risk of carbon monoxide and fire, such as this space heater. If you must venture outside, wear several layers of lightweight, warm and dry clothing. Protect against storms while wearing waterproof and hooded outer garments. A winter storm watch means that winter storm is mentioned within the next 12 to 36 hours. Be prepared to take action. And a winter storm warning means that a windstorm is expected within 12 hours of occurring. Take action now! And we are under a winter storm warning effect until tomorrow at 10 a.m. as locations will be coastal northeast and interior southeast Massachusetts. Hazard types: heavy snow and dangerously low wind chills. Considerable blowing and drifting snow with near blizzard conditions possible at times tonight into Friday morning. Accumulation: snow accumulation up to 8 to 14 inches. Timing: periods of snow will continue throughout the day. The heaviest snow will occur tonight into early Friday morning, when snow may fall at 1 to 2 inches per hour, and impacts roads will be snow covered and slippery today. The snow will become heavier tonight, and winds will increase. This will result in dangerously low wind chills along the considerable blowing and drifting snow tonight into Friday morning. Near blizzard conditions will be possible for a time tonight into early Friday morning. Winds north 15 to 25, with gusts up to 45 miles per hour. Visibility is 1/4 mile or less at times. Precautionary preparedness actions: a winter storm warning is issued when an average of 6 or more inches of snow is expected in a 12-hour period, or for 8 or more inches in a 24-hour period. Travel will be slow at best or well treated surfaces, and quite difficult any unplotted and treated surfaces. Here, day 1, day and night, winter storm warning, and days 2 through 7. Friday through Wednesday, winter storm warning. There's also potential for wind chills at 15 to 25 below late Friday night and early Saturday, where may result in wind chill advisory here, so stay safe. Okay, let's take a look at our 7-day forecast. It goes like this. For this afternoon, snow high under 26 degrees. Northeast wind about 14 miles per hour. Gusts as high as 28 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation is 90 miles per hour. For 90% chance of precipitation. Total daytime snow accumulation about 1 to 3 inches possible. Tonight, snow with areas of blowing snow lower at 9 degrees. Wind chill values as low as 6 below. North wind about 15 to 17 miles per gust as high as 41 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation is 100%. New snow accumulation of 4 to 8 inches possible. Friday, snow with areas of blowing snow before 11 a.m. Then a slight chance of snow between 11 a.m. and 1 p.m. high near 13. Wind chill values as low as 10 below 0. North wind about 11 to 18 miles per hour. With gusts as high as 41 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation is 80%. New snow accumulation of 1 to 2 inches possible. Friday night, most of the coast got low on 5 below 0. Wind chill values as low as 14 below, and northwest wind about 5 to 10 miles per hour coming light west after midnight. Saturday, most of the sunny skies with a high near 20 degrees. Light west wind becoming southwest about 8 to 13 miles per hour in the morning. Saturday night, podcast got low on 22 degrees. Sunday, a chance of rain after 1 p.m. Most of the clouds got high near 41 degrees. Chance of precipitation is 40%. Sunday night, rain likely. Clouds got low on 36 degrees. Chance of precipitation is 60%. Monday, rain likely and cloud skies with a low on high near 50 degrees. Chance of precipitation is 70%. Monday night, podcast got low on 18 degrees. Tuesday, sunny skies high near 24 degrees. Tuesday night, both coast got low on 6 degrees on Sunday. Wednesday, sunny skies high near 25 degrees. Peters, what a phrase of the day. a snowstorm's on the way, and be safe. This is PJ Wednesday. We have a good day with a good positive attitude. I'll be seeing you at 5 o'clock. Stay safe outside.